All right, hello everyone. Hope you're having a great week so far. I wanted to do a quick video with a quick fix of something that might be bothering other people as much as it bothers me. I don't know. If you have installed Miyo-Modern, you may notice, now it's not going to work. I should be getting a notification here in just a moment for updates. And it's not going to work here because I'm running simple screen recorder. But if you have noticed this, when updates become available, you get your little icon down here in the system tray, and when you click on it, everything happens so fast that it also opens up the keyboard shortcuts. And that's because Tent 2 is so stinking awesome. It's it's fast. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a way real quick. Well, I'll actually show a couple of ways where you can fix that so that when you click on the update notifier down here in the system tray, it won't automatically also open up the keyboard shortcuts. Now, let me go ahead and I'll close that out. Now we have two options. The first option, open up your menu, go to Settings, Tent 2 Settings, and if you're still running the default panel, the default Tent 2 panel, go in here, it's highlighted right here, and click Edit Theme. And like I said, there are two options. Come on, baby. You can do it. Now the first option, if you come down here to the system tray, over here on the left hand side in this properties window, click on system tray, and right here where it says icon ordering ascending, if you pay attention now, see the volume icon is on the right, and this is simple screen recorder, and now the update notifier has popped up. Change that from ascending to descending and hit apply. And if you notice what has happened, everything has switched orders here. Now the volume icon is next to the keyboard shortcuts, so that when you click on this, you're not going to get that keyboard shortcut window popping up all of a sudden. So that is one way to fix it. Another way, if you don't need this keyboard shortcut icon in the panel, I don't remember which button it is. Let's look at button number 1. And button number 1, that's it. If you click on button number 1 over here on the left hand side, you'll see that is Miyo KB. That means Miyo keyboard, and that's what this opens. So come back up here to panel. Panel items. Click on panel items, find button number 1, click on it, and send it back over here, and hit apply. And if you notice now, the keyboard button is gone. Now don't do that unless you just don't need it. You can use the keyboard shortcut, Windows key, super key, however you want to call it, the Windows key plus the letter K to open up the keyboard shortcuts. So that is two ways you can use to get rid of that pesky little incident where clicking on the update notifier in the system tray will automatically open up the keyboard shortcut. And it's not that they are intertwined or anything like that. It's just that when you click on that update notifier, everything just happens so fast that you're also accidentally clicking on the keyboard shortcuts. So I hope that helps some people. I hope that if you're like me and that just really grinds your goat for it to open up those keyboard shortcuts, I hope that helps you out. All right, so there you go, guys. I hope that helps. Hope you have a great weekend coming up, and you guys take care. Thanks a lot.